What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today I'm going to be installing this rough country Molle panels on my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. I picked up this set from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. You can buy one side only or do what I did and buy the pair. The kit came with some instructions, stickers, here's another sticker, the mounting hardware, and some Velcro straps. I'm going to start on the rear passenger side first. This bracket right here is part of my tonneau cover. We're going to pop this off and use a T30 Torx bit to loosen this rail. Pop this off too. And loosen this one. So we're going to install the bracket. This is going to be flush between the rail and the truck bed. So now we're going to get the hardware ready. Install it like this for all of them. So now we can loosen this one all the way out and install this in between the truck bed and the frame rail, and then reinstall the OEM screw. So do it for all three. It should look something like this. I didn't tighten this down yet, but it's loosely installed. Here's 1, 2, and 3 right here. Now we're going to loosen this and this. So the passenger side panel is going to go like this. Reinstall the bottom OEM hardware and install the hardware on the top. Here's the hardware that I'm going to tighten everything down. Tighten down the Allen keys. Alright, I tightened everything down. Fits perfect. Now I'm going to pop on the cap on the rail and move on to the next side. Now I'm going to start on the driver's side. It should be exactly the same thing, just loosen the rail and put on the bracket and mount it up. The only difference is on my 2021 I don't have that bottom compartment down here. Everything's loosely installed. I just have to tighten it down. And this is the bottom section I was talking about on my 2021. I can leave it alone or put a bolt nut and washer there or a nutsert. I'll think about what I'm going to do later, but for now these 3 bolts should be good enough. Alright guys, everything done. Driver's side installed. Super simple installation, took about 15 minutes on each side. What's nice about this panel is that it actually protects the OEM bed light too when I load up the bed. And it fits perfectly with my aftermarket tonneau cover rail. And now I have a place to mount my traction board, D-ring, recovery strap, jerry can, fire extinguisher, whatever I want. I might get one down there later, we'll see. And this kit came with 4 Velcro straps on each side. But I'm not going to mount anything up to it until I actually go off-roading. I'm just going to leave it open for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.